If you want to keep track of important dates automatically, Google Calendar makes it super easy to add US holidays in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can display United States holidays directly on your calendar and never miss a major holiday again. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're inside Calendar, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Other Calendars. Right next to it, click the plus icon. This opens a menu with several calendar options you can add to your account. From that menu, select Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where Google gives you a list of useful calendars you can subscribe to, including holidays, sports, and other regional events. After that, scroll down until you find the section labeled Regional Holidays. Under that category, look for United States. Once you see it, check the box for United States Holidays Calendar. As soon as you select it, Google Calendar will automatically add US holidays to your calendar view. You don't need to enter anything manually, and the holidays will show up alongside your other events so you can plan ahead more easily. If you ever want to remove the holidays later, you can come back to the same spot and simply uncheck the calendar. But if your goal is to stay organized, this is one of the fastest ways to make Google Calendar more useful right away, and that's it. You've now added US holidays to Google Calendar. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.